Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to try doing some welding, and my hand's not as good as it used to be, so we're just going to have to see how it works out. First I got to tack some bars, and then I'm going to try welding them up with a wire welder. Wire welder is easier than the stick welder, for sure, but I'm not as good as I used to be. Yep. I'll be in just a second, hon. Takes some practice to get my hand back in. If I only weld once every 3 or 4 months, I lose the touch. There we go. Now we're welded up. One nice thing though is this welding helmet. This is a true, let's see, Trusoxin. Truxoxin, or Trusoxin, or Trusoxin. Don't know. Anyways, it is made in China like everything else in the world, but this one, unlike the Harbor Freight, has replaceable batteries. That's the thing that failed on the Harbor Freight, was the batteries went out. Has a nice harness. Sits on my head, fits well, closes easily. Turns on and off just like I want it to. Whenever I look at the light, it goes dark. And I'm able to see quite well with it. I think I might have it set a little bit too light. So I might give it a little tweaking on the thing just to see what's going on. It has 3 settings. It has weld, cut, and grind. And it's set on weld, just like I'm supposed to. And it's set on full dark. It goes up to 13. So I'm quite happy with it. Odd thing is, just like the grinding wheel, I got the new welding helmet. I set it down out here in the garage and haven't touched it for 5 months. Part of it's the weather, part of it's other things going on, and this is way down the list on priorities. But it does work quite well, and I'm very happy with it. Now I'm going to take those and test them out on the arbor, see how they're going to fit, check and make sure everything's going to work the way I want it to, tap those 1/4-20 holes, and then have to build the crank pedals. I'm not going to cut the arms down until I get the crank pedals done and I try them, because I might want to move the distance where the bolt goes. This wheel is a lot larger than the other wheel, so it might take more torque just to get it to roll over. I'm not so much worried about the speed, because it's all about surface feet per minute. And since this wheel is almost twice as wide, twice as big in diameter as the other one downstairs, I could pedal half as fast and end up with the same surface feet per minute. So even if I end up with a longer stroke in the thing so I get more torque, no harm done. That's all for tonight. I got the welding done. I tried out the welding helmet. I'm more than happy. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.